Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Children, Riya's neighbor changed their home from Salem to Mysore. Now, near to Riya's home, new family is going to come. But Riya missing her old neighbors and also having so many questions about the new neighbors. Children, look at the screen. Riya asked some question about new neighbor. Riya's mother answered for her question. Shall we start now? Yes. Riya asked some questions about her new neighbors. Her mother answers them. Riya, I love plants. Will I be allowed in the garden? Mother, make friends with the neighbors so that you can visit the garden. You could also offer to water their plants. Riya, will the new neighbors shout and be rude to children? Mother, most people like children who behave well. Riya, what if the new neighbors do not talk to us? Mother, you can say hi and smile at them. Riya, what if the neighbor children are mean? Mother, you can tell them how you feel but without being rude. Children, from this what you have understood? What you have understood? Listen children, everyone are good. It's all about how we behave to them. Okay? Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Children, Riya prepared one banner in order to welcome a new neighbor. Okay children, Riya prepared one banner in order to welcome a new neighbor. Okay. Now it's your turn. You have to prepare one banner. You can use the space provided in your book 2.8 activity. You can use the color pencil to decorate your banner. Okay children, create a banner to welcome the new neighbor to your neighborhood. Okay, you can use a color pencil to decorate your banner. Okay, next. Now Riya's neighbors are also part of the celebrations that happen AG colony. There are some festivals that are celebrated by specific groups of people like Christmas and Ramzan. Name one festival which all the group of people in India celebrate. Name one festival which all the groups of people in India celebrate. Yes, Diwali. Okay, D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Yes. Different groups of people come together during festivals to celebrate. It is all about sharing, caring and having fun with each other. Okay children, different groups of people come together during festivals to celebrate. It is all about sharing, caring and having fun with each other. How would life be without neighbors? How would life be without neighbors? It will be very bored life and there won't be any sharing and caring. Yes children, it will be very bored life and there won't be any sharing and caring. Okay, the next one. Why do we celebrate festivals with others? Why do we celebrate festivals with others? Yes, it's all about sharing, caring and having fun with each other. Yes children, it's all about sharing, caring, S-K-A-R-I-N-G, sharing, caring, C-A-R-I-N-G, caring, and having fun with each other. Okay? Children, I gave you one idea, isn't it? So, if you have any idea other than this, you can write that in your textbook. Okay children? Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Now, here comes your take home activity. Okay. Here comes your take home activity that is in your companion book 2C. Okay children? 2C. Project time. In teams, pick one of the following situations and discuss what you will do in the situation present in the class. Okay. First one, your pet is sick. What will you do to take care of your pet? Your pet is sick. What will you do to take care of your pet? Second question, you love to watch movies on television. At the same time, your parents like to watch the news, so your family is always arguing over who gets to watch the favorite program. What will you do to solve the problem? Third one, your new neighbor and friend Nikhil's birthday is coming up. Help your new friend plan and arrange a birthday party. Your new neighbor and friend Nikhil's birthday is coming up. Help your new friend plan and arrange a birthday party. Last one, fourth one. You have guests coming home in the evening. You have guests coming home in the evening. How will you help your parents with the preparation for the evening? How will you help your parents with the preparation for the evening? Children, along with the help of your parents, complete these questions in your rough note. Okay? Children, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, eat healthy foods, drink plenty of water and use restroom often. Thank you children.